if you value your time, don't waste time with these UFO videos, okay? The UFO, the flying object video that you've been seeing recently, that's all these people are actually recording it. Even a 12 years old people can't even find out like what is this going on, okay? They're just this news are just the biggest time waster. They're gonna really extend this whole news to like 6 months to a year, and then they're gonna be like, okay, we think, or the prosecutor, or we think that some private company are doing it. This is the same thing they did this with the Chinese balloon. How long that took for them to figure it out? They make it almost like 3 to 4 months to figure it out what is a Chinese balloons all about, right? So don't even click the, like, if you're a high value person, like, look, rich people don't watch this type of news. They don't even watch the news. They don't even watch the TV. All right, these are the news company. This is how they make money. Sean Diddy News, they did the same thing. Mayor Adam got raided at home. They did the same thing. Anything, any sort of political drama, anything they did, they extended to like 6 months to like a 1 year. You know, the country, the most secure country, and a country's the places next to the airport, the most secure place on earth. They got these vehicles rolling around on the sky, and it took FBI this long and other agency to even get into, even the local police to like get involved so quickly. Obviously, as a common sense, you can tell like, yo, these are private companies. They're just testing out their product. Like how in the world I know this? How in the world I know this? You know, basically it could be a private company that's testing out their product, the new helicopters. These are big, large vehicles, right? They're testing out this thing, and for some reason they're so smart. The CEO is so smart. They're sending this employee on site. We're like, yo, John, wake up, put an alarm at 3 o'clock. You're gonna go there on the sites, on this jungle, on this forest place. You're gonna test out this product for like 1 hour, and they all tend to be in one place with the lights on. I mean, they can do a light off test, but they did it with the lights on. You get it? That's one thing. Second thing is that I have a feeling that whoever is the main leader, the CEOs, are definitely made some phone calls like, yo, we're gonna do this testing. Please don't call for any enforcement when we do this testing. You know, and when else they're gonna test? This is the time for them to test. I mean, why wouldn't you test? This is the biggest shift America's AI is gonna head. This is the time. Someday you're gonna have to test it out. This is a vehicle. You cannot test it inside the warehouse. Even how large is the warehouse? The warehouse testing is done. Now they need a real life testing. You know, outdoor. If this is something outer space, a country like US, come on. Like, it takes you that decade to figure it out what is this product is, like, you know. So don't even click the news. Always listen to the last news, right? And the news people now with the YouTube news, what's another biggest issues is that these people, they use collaborations. Any news you click, they don't have any reporters on the field. They're so cheap. You know, they're doing these paid webcam collaborations. I don't want to watch no webcam Zoom news coverage. This is another issues with this news company nowadays. You know, it's super annoying. Like and subscribe, billion like and subscribe. That's what listen, guys. You want more transparency? You gotta vote for me. I'm telling you, because these people like to waste people's time. News company, there's a lot of things to talk about that nobody's covering for the news company. Vote for me. I'm gonna fix all of this, because this is like, this news are the waste of time. They take this one stories and they're just gonna try to amplify it bigger. By that time, the other side of the stories, the other side of the subjects, that person's reputation could be gone. Look what they did with the Louis Gianni, whatever, the Gino Pizza dude. You know, they like to poke one tiny stories too big, and then they do a paid 3 webcam chat collaborations on the news. Like, get out of here.